Let's talk about the key differences between Philips Core-Line and Philips LED downlights. Our downlights create uniform light distribution for use in general lighting applications such as office buildings, education and healthcare facilities, and hospitality establishments. Philips Core-Line downlights offer savings of up to 66% with 116 lumen watt, and LED 60% savings with 100 lumen watt. Philips offers a wide variety of downlights under the Core-Line and LED ranges. Round and square shapes, slim and regular versions, to be recessed or surface mounted. Regarding the IP, you can get IP54 with some versions of Core-Line. Both ranges offer two color temperatures with lumen outputs up to 2400 lumen. LED Slim Downlight also offers an additional color temperature of 6500 Kelvin and the multicolor temperature feature. While the slim versions have an upper cover, the regular versions present different optics for a better visual comfort. LED is not dimmable, but Core-Line offers two dimming options, DALI and Smart Control. This means that Core-Line is wireless connected to our smart lighting platform InTrack Pro. Core-Line also offers emergency lighting options. Both ranges offer an easy and fast installation. For electrical connection, they present a push-in connector with pull relief. For mechanical fixation, they come with spring fasteners. And as a plus, Core-Line downlights in all versions have the ENEC mark. If you want to learn more, check Downlights in our Signify Lumexpert app. Thanks for watching.